In front of me is REALME GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top right corner. Then select one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one. Manage key borders, and when you finished, hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!